Charlie Tango, Delta Echo, Golf 4 Whiskey Tango Victor Worthing in India Oscar 90 Sierra Uniform, Alfa Romeo. So this is a very low power beacon on the 70 centimetre band. Charlie Tango means commence transmission, DE from, then the call sign Golf 4 Whiskey Tango Victor Worthing in India Oscar 90 Sierra Uniform. In other words, about 3 miles away from my house. AR, end of work. And then it repeats itself after a roughly 10 to 12 second gap. Now what's interesting about this is it's very low powered, 50 milliwatts, 50 milliwatts, going into a vertical antenna as far as I know. It's possibly still at the testing phase here, so the antenna may change. It's not on the air 24 hours a day, so it may be off air when Roy G4WTV is working on it, or maybe he turns it off when he's not at home, I don't know. But it lies in a particularly interesting bit of the 70 centimetre band. The exact frequency is 432.493. There's obviously an offset here on the FT817 in order to produce the Morse code tone. If I was slap bang on 432.493, you wouldn't hear anything. But and I'm receiving it through my vertically polarised collinear. But the most interesting thing about this is that the transmitter is a modified Radiosonde. I've only ever heard those down around 404 megahertz or so, but if you know what you're doing, and I don't, so please don't ask me how in the comments, but if you know what you're doing, it is possible to modify these things to transmit in the 70 centimetre amateur band. There's a lot more information on the excellent Radio Workshop website. I'll provide a link to that in the description below, and it's well worth listening to this part of 70 centimetres, because if you can hear one of these transmissions that's not local to you, and if you can hear it at good strength, then that is a surefire indication that conditions on the band are very, very good indeed. If you look at the band plan, from about 432.49 to 494, 495, somewhere around there, is what's described as a guard band, but very low power machine generated mode personal beacons are permitted, and that's exactly what we're listening to on here. So 7.3, and hope this video has been of interest.